Welcome to Automation Masters. This is our copy trading service, the copy trading account that we are trading, and I'm just giving you an update of how our day is looking like today. So as you can see, the market, how it traded yesterday. These were the trades that we took yesterday. We bought, we sold, we bought, we sold. Had a couple of wrong trades. Even there, we had a couple of wrong, we had one wrong trade, and then a good trade, wrong trade, wrong trade, good trade. So we ended up with a good trade yesterday. Then this morning, since we've started trading the London Open, we've had a wrong trade, a wrong trade, a wrong trade, three wrong trades consecutively. This is our first good trade, and we are currently up $11. And it's still the first few trades of the morning. Let's see how we're going to continue trading in on the day. So now what we're doing, we're increasing the risk that we are utilizing on this account, and hopefully you can be able to hop in and start trading with us while it is a minimum of $50, because I'm thinking maybe starting from next week it can be a minimum of $100 to start joining our copy trading service, so that people can be able to make quite good money copying our trades. So as you can see, this is how we are performing right now. I'm going to be giving you guys a day-to-day update. So take this form of trading as an investment type of trading. This is your investment portfolio, your investment account. Don't take it like your main trading account. Have your own main trading account if you're a trader, but have this as that residual income that you can be able to utilize on a day-to-day basis. And then there will be days where we've got drawdowns or where we lose money, but on days where we make money, we will be able to continue growing our account and make up for the money that we would have lost on days that we would have lost money. But right now, focus on ensuring that you get this residual income with our copy trading, and also understand the risk that is involved with copy trading. This is not 100% win. You need to understand the risk that comes with capital loss. When you're investing in the financial markets, there is a probability that you can blow your account, that you can lose your money. And if you understand that risk, you also can understand that there is a probability of you compounding your account. So I'm looking for people who've got medium to long-term type of mindsets who want to see themselves end this year on a very high note. This is a day three of our Summary Auto Trader robot automation copy trading service. We're going to be keeping you updated up until the end of the year so that we can see how far can we take this. So we'll also see a monthly progress and see how our month performed at the end of this month. For now, it's really exciting. Let's see how far can we push this. Try and plan around $100 most minimum, and then just put that in as your capital, and then we should be good. $50 right now is really the most minimum that we are currently accepting, and also that is still okay for now. So just ensure that you join in while you are still using low lots. You saw that we had started with a 0.01 lot for the past 2 days. Now we are going up 0.2, and as the days go up, we're going to go 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. So ensure that when you are copying our account, you use a proper lot size multiplier. Once we are using a bit of a bigger lot size, you may want to down your multiplier. But if we are still using a small capital and a small lot size, then you can increase your multiplier depending on what your balance is. And also do ensure that you set your SL and TP preference. Look at this. We are now up $16, and we've made back for all the losses that we incurred when we started trading this morning. Way deep in profit. Look at that sniper entry. Literally, the robot bought at that sell zone, and voila, we shot all the way to the top, $17 and counting. This is the power of automation. You know, if you've set a 10 lot multiplier, meaning whatever profit that this trade is making, you'll multiply it by 10. You could easily be making $170, and you can easily be making $1,700 depending on the multiplier that you've set on your account. Remember, I said set a very good multiplier depending on your capital and the profits and risk you are willing to apply in your account. You can be able to ensure that you compound your trading and you compound your residual income utilizing a proper lot size multiplier. Whenever we make whatever profit, you can be able to ensure that you are multiplying it. Look at this. We are up $18. What a great start to our trading day. This is Automation Masters with the Sumari Auto Trader robot. This is the automation era. I'm going to be quickly showing you how our copy trading is going along. You know, this is a free copy trading service brought to you by the Sumari Auto Trader robot, and let us quickly check how our portfolio is doing. Once you log in on your back office on the XM profile, all you just ought to do is go to copy trading. When you get to copy trading, you're gonna go to where it says strategy, search for strategy or username. Ignore everything and everyone else. Come here and then search for Automation Masters, and our profile is gonna pop up. Now our profile is popping up today. It's day 3, and on our day 3, as you can see, we started 2 days ago, and we started here at the bottom. We went up on day 1, day 2 it went down a bit. We're back up again, so we've earned about that 3.04% growth, and it's a steady growth. That is what we're looking for, sustainable steady growth. And just open where it says Automation Master so that you can see how our portfolio is moving and how we traded today. So as you can see, currently our daily performance, it shows what times where we're trading from 8 in the morning until around about 11 a.m. and it tells you how we traded. As you can see there, it will show you how much the performance was. So this is all about the performance, and then we're just looking from when we started 2 days ago. This is the graph. The graph is steadily growing up with a 1.92% growth on day 1, and then it dropped down to 0.54 on day 2, and then today we are up at 3.04%, and we're just going to be looking at the daily progress on this account up until we get to the end of the year. Remember what I said to you on day 1? I said let this be your investment account. So if you're looking into an investment approach type of trading, this is exactly perfect for you. And it is even written here to say automated trading using an EA that trades price action, low to medium risk trading approach, good for medium to long-term investors. This is what is for. If you're not a medium to long-term investor, then this will not be for you, because we're looking at sustainable growth. And then now when you are looking at our current graph in July, we're up, it's still green. When we're not performing well, it will change to red. And then looking at the total trades we have opened, we've opened a total trades of 37 trades. From those 37 trades, we have lost 21 trades and we've only won 16 trades. And our worst trade was $7 minus, and our best trade has been $15.42 plus. So that is how we are looking at. So now the reason you'll see here, why do we have a lot of losses and less wins? This tells you how great our strategy is. It means we let go of all the losing trades so quickly, and then we hold longer our winning trades. That's why our winning trades are fewer and our losing trades are more, because we let go of losing trades as quick as possible. And you will see that in terms of our percentage drawdown as well. I'll show you when we move to our portfolio again. And remember, it only will cost you a most minimum $50 to join us on this movement. And as the time goes by, we're going to be increasing the risk that we apply on the account. So it's best to join now while it's still $50 and you grow your account, because right now I'm still helping everybody grow their small accounts. And then in about a week or two, we're going to be increasing the risk. And if you can also just check on our closed trades from when we started trading, we were trading like gold with 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. And then right now, we are increasing the risk to 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. Now you're going to start seeing aggressive losses and aggressive wins as and when we grow the accounts. So now you don't want to join when we are now trading a 0.5 or a 0.10 or a one lot, because your $50 will not survive by that. So right now the minimum is $50, but soon it'll be $100, and very soon it's gonna grow to about $250, $500, and $1,000. At that level, we're just gonna be making insane profits on a day-to-day basis. Right now, we're having that steady growth that you should also tap into as soon as possible. Quickly, let's just check the risk. Our risk score is still on the green. It means it's very positive. It is very good. It's very gradual. We are still sitting on 4, and we can always take it up to about 7 or 7.5, and the highest we can go is 8. We are not aiming on going to a risk level of about 9 and 10, because that is not acceptable. But a lot of people do go for a risk of 10. It depends on your strategy. But this is, as I said before, a low to medium risk type of trading. And obviously, I'll speak to you guys more on medium to high risk type of trading. I'll touch on those more tomorrow, because we have already set up an account that we're going to be trading medium to high risk, so that those who prefer that type of risk can also tap on that account, and those who prefer a small risk can focus on this one. So our frequency of trading, we do trade a lot, so that's why it's sitting at around about 37. Means that we trade a lot. The robot does not get tired. It opens and it closes trades as and when it sees fit. What you need to also focus on is the fact that our average loss per trade, it's about minus $1.95, and our average profit per trade, it's about $3.09. So you can see the risk to reward ratio is very good. It is very, very good. Our asset allocation, it is 30% forex, and it's 70% indices. And that is how our risk is going. And in our portfolio, this is how our portfolio is going. We did load Euro USD yesterday, and it became our top loser because the spread was too high, and it's not good to be scalped on XM. It's not friendly with the spreads. Hence, we tend to focus on trading these instruments which are friendly with the spreads on this broker. And obviously, this broker XM, we chose it because it's user friendly, it's easy to understand, it's good for beginner traders. That's why we are on this platform. But we're also going to be loading other brokers where we focus mainly on medium to aggressive type of trading, or medium to high risk, and focusing on professional traders. So that is what we're going to be touching on. And our top instrument that we like to trade, obviously, it's gold and USA 30. That is what we're going to be focusing on this portfolio the most on this broker. So you've seen how the performance has been, and I'm going to keep you guys posted on a day-to-day basis so that you can see how we're doing. We currently don't have any open trades, and our closed trades are looking like this. Our best trade for the day was $15.42, and we're just going to keep on increasing the risk as and when we proceed and move forward. If this is what you like and you'd like to focus on following our strategy, it's very simple. You'll basically click where it says copy trading. When you are logged into your XM account, you go to copy trading, then you'll search for automation masters like I showed you earlier on, and then you will click on copy strategy, and then you also need to ensure that you apply a proper risk multiplier. So now a proper risk multiplier, it means if you've deposited a higher deposit, for example, you've deposited $500 or $1,000 or $5,000 or $10,000, you need to multiply whatever lot sizes that I'm trading, either multiply by 2, multiply by 5, multiply by 10, so that you can be able to compound whatever profits and whatever risk that we may be applying on the account. Because if in a trade, let's say our best trade is $15.42, this easily, if you're multiplying this, on a higher account, this could have easily been about $150 profit. It can easily be $1,500 profit. So that is what we're talking about. Even the risk is the same, where we lose -$7, you'll multiply that. It could have been -$70 or -$700, depending on what the multiplier is. But that will help you make more money, and also ensure that you set your stop loss, your preferred stop loss and preferred take profit, to say if your trade could hit a -$25 or a -$40, that is how much you're willing to risk on this investment portfolio, so that you don't expose your entire portfolio on maybe a single trade or in a single investment on our portfolio. That will help you just in case if it ever happens, to say if there is unexpected high frequency or high volatility news events that can go against any of the trades that we could be in on, you're protected. Obviously, our robot has automated tools for stop loss and take profit, and it can protect itself against wrong moves. Even if it's immediate wrong moves, we will be able to have the robot immediately close those losses quick, because you saw even our risk score, it's about 5% when you're looking at the drawdown that we're having on this portfolio, which is a very good score for a drawdown. At 5%, it's a very, it actually even went down. It's about 4.52%, which is very good. It's still below 50%, it's still below 25%. So that is what we are focusing on. This is where we are today. Do ensure that you follow on this account, you subscribe, and then so that you don't miss any of my future video uploads. Tomorrow I'm going to be updating you how our day 4 will be looking like. It's time to trade. From a milli to a billy, and I came from a village to a city, and I thinking that I finna be doing better. Gotta get the money like a cool trader. My plan